Smart way to teach money using things already in your house. So easy. Any parent can do this. No prep, no stress, just everyday items in 2 minutes. These little lessons take almost no prep, and any parent can pull them off. Your kids grow up wiser about money, using ordinary stuff already around your home. Grab the salt and pepper shakers. Ask your kids something surprising. Did you know salt is the single most used cooking ingredient on the entire planet? Everyone reaches for it. Rich or poor, wherever you're from, everybody uses salt. It's universal and basic. Money is the same. Some habits are universal too, like saving and keeping your spending under control. Now, pick up a water bottle. Ask your kid this. What happens when it runs empty? Imagine forgetting to fill it, then suddenly being really thirsty with nothing left. A bottle keeps you from getting thirsty, so you keep it topped up above a minimum. Savings work the same. Keep enough set aside for when an emergency suddenly hits. Switch on the vacuum cleaner and listen closely. Ask your kid, doesn't that roaring rumble sound a little like a storm building somewhere far off in the distance? Money problems can feel exactly like a storm. When a big one hits a family, it pulls everyone in, and every single person ends up feeling the effects together. When you teach like this, casual, low stress, using things kids already touch every day, the lessons actually stick. The object becomes a bridge to bigger ideas about money. A vacuum, a bottle, a shaker, kids already have a relationship with them, so saving and emergencies feel familiar, not scary. Then, before you finish, ask a few playful questions. Salt or pepper, which do you like? A big water bottle or a small one? Does getting caught in a storm scare you? Honestly, there's no wrong answer here. The goal isn't the answer. It's getting kids thinking about money like everyday things. Brought to you by Firekidz Academy. Follow along for more easy ways to teach kids money.